Change is riding its way into the heart of India, the land of potential and opportunity, and one of the fastest developing economies. Millions of Indians have taken to the skies, and many more will. On the wings of Boeing jetliners. Boeing is strengthening India's ability to be prepared at all times. Boeing is partnering with premier Indian companies. Together, Boeing and India are producing complex composite floor beams for one of the most advanced aircraft in the world. Boeing is building one of the most productive supply chains in the world and is harnessing India's strengths. For India and Boeing, innovation is the foundation from which ideas take flight. As this partnership soars, the possibilities of what it will achieve are indeed endless.